Hey everybody, IT Nomad here. I wanted to take a few minutes and discuss what cloud services are and how I use them anyway, and how my organization uses them to help with our infrastructure costs. But with that, I've realized I need to explain what cloud services really are. So what we're going to talk about today is what are cloud services, which cloud services for you, why to use those cloud services, and just a real quick blurb about how they're built. What are cloud services? They break down into about three simple types. Platform as a service, think Salesforce or ServiceNow if your organization uses that. Infrastructure as a service, which is bare compute resources and network resources all in one place. Think about Azure or AWS. And then software as a service. Think about Office 365. If your email lives in that environment, that's a software as a service subscription type model. Every platform does have specific pros and cons. Some are flat monthly rate and some are billed per hour. Use cases that you may need may vary, and you may have a mix of both SaaS, IaaS, or PaaS all at the same time. And I'll get into details about those in some subsequent videos that I'm going to put together. Which cloud is right for you? Now, there are predominantly three types of cloud models. They break down into the following. Private cloud, where you own everything. You own the servers, you own the networking equipment, you own the storage, you manage the internet connections with the provider, you do all those things. Hybrid cloud. You run some things on premise, so in your data center or your colo, and the others you run in a public cloud provider. Or you're completely in the public cloud, everything's running on another computer. You manage as much or as little as you like. And there are different variations of all three of these models as well. Why do we use cloud services? They're great, but they also give you some flexibility. Three reasons why I use them is price. Cloud services are great for someone who does not wish to buy in any expensive server hardware, internet connections, etc. Scalability. I can rapidly scale the infrastructure as needed for growth. Or if I need to spin up a bunch of stuff for some heavy duty resources and then spin it back down. And ease of management. A lot of the stuff is managed in a simple web portal. Pretty much point click, follow a wizard, and it'll build the server for you. Or point click, follow a wizard, and it will build a network for you. And all the subnets and all those things and all the network virtual appliances, all those things it will build for you. And you also, if you want to tie in some automation where you run some scripts and it builds a bunch of machines for you, you can do that as well. Now, how are these things built? They're built in different varied models. Now, SaaS, you pay a monthly subscription cost. So all the compute, network, and storage is all included in that flat monthly rate price. If you use an infrastructure as a service like in Microsoft Azure or in AWS, the compute is billed hourly. Your network traffic is billed on a ins and outs. Your storage is based on how much you use, and your internet is billed on how much you use. Same thing with platform as a service. You pay a monthly subscription fee, but you don't pay for any network storage, computer network storage. But you pay for storage and you pay for internet, how much you consume of both. Cloud services may be great for some people, they may not be great for others, and I really thank you for listening. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to this video. It'll help out the algorithm quite a lot and get my videos out there to everybody. And be sure to hit the notification bell. That way you know whenever I put out new content. Thanks for listening, and everyone have a great day.